Hey, y'all. Hey. So, question. Am I wrong for blocking this person that told me to block him because I wouldn't send him no money? So, long story short, there's this person. I like him a lot. I have feelings for him. We've been going back and forth. Met him when I first moved to Jamaica, and he's done some unquestionable things, and I keep forgiving him. Um, so, long story short, he needs money, I give it to him. He needs this, because he's my man. He don't have no money. It's hard living in Jamaica, so I was helping him out. I mind you, I didn't give him a lot of money over time, so don't go like I've been scammed and all this. No, I knew what I was doing. I'm not stupid. I'm not unaware. But if he needed a little money for this or wanted to go out and drink, or I'll give him a little money here and there. When I come to America and come back, I bring him some gifts and shoes and clothes, like every other woman that comes to Jamaica meet a man do. But it got to the point where he was taking my kindness for weakness, right? And I bought him a necklace. He pawned it, so I went and got it out of the pawn shop when I got back to Jamaica. I bought a car, left it with him. When I come back, I bought the car for him to run as a taxi, right, or a tour, and make money while I'm gone. When I come back, he sold it, saying that his dad, right, had needed chemo, and so he sold it to get the money for the chemo. Come to find out, his dad passed away 10 years ago. So then I told him, I said, we're done. I forgave him, went back to, I know it's stupid, but at least I know what I'm dealing with him instead of trying to meet somebody new and find out all over again. That was my thinking, right? Dumb. But anyway, so long story short, 5 years later down the road, here I am. I have to come to America. If you've been following me, I had to come here for surgery. So I've been gone almost 6 months now. So every single month, he's like, I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that. It's always something, always something. But you can't hustle. You don't have a hustle. You don't have a game plan. Like, go pick a mango or get you some windshield wiper stuff. Do something. Make $1. So I told him, I said, I'm not sending you no more money. I'm sorry. I don't have it. I'm struggling here myself. I had to get a place to live and buy furniture and all this. So I'm struggling myself. I can't afford to send you any more money. This man told me, well, if you can't send me no money, then block me. Okay, no problem. I blocked him on every social media, blocked all his phone numbers, everything. Hadn't heard from him in 2 months. Was I wrong? I don't think so. Bye, boy.